Today I'm going to be reviewing this new set of non-marring impact sockets from Motivx tools. So here I'm going to go ahead and get this package opened and show you what's inside. Okay, so this set has three sizes, a 17, a 19, and a 21 millimeter socket. So these have a plastic coating on it to prevent the socket from damaging the paint on the wheels. So I'm going to do a comparison here, show you a couple. So this is the Motivx to a standard Craftsman 19 millimeter socket. Okay. Alright, so we can see that this socket is just over 3.5 inches long and roughly 1 1/4 inches thick in diameter. So side by side with the Craftsman, the Motivx is slightly longer, and it is also slightly thinner than the Craftsman. So we'll get a weight. The Craftsman weighs in at 10.3 ounces. And the Motivx comes in at 7.9. So it is lighter. Motivx socket is approximately 30% lighter than the standard Craftsman impact wrench. They both use a 1/2 inch socket, and this is actually very soft and is going to prevent it from scratching the paint. So in the center of the Motivx socket is also a plastic insert to prevent it from scratching the surface of the lug nuts. So if you have chrome lug nuts, then this will help prevent that, at least the surface that you can see, the vertical surface, from showing any marks or receiving any marks from the impact wrench. So here I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up of all three. So Motivx does offer a second set of these that include 2 extra sockets that are both standard in size. I personally do not have a use for the 2 standard size sockets, so I ordered this set that includes just the 3 metric sizes. So this will cover 99% of my uses. And currently this set is available on Amazon for $23 for the set of 3 here. But they're offering a discount, so I was able to pick these up for around $18. So this insert will come out of the box if you want to store these in long term, or if you have your own storage solution, you can use that just the same. But it's a fairly hard, thick foam here, and it takes quite a bit of effort to squeeze that down. Overall, this is a nice, well-constructed set of sockets that I would recommend. If you're doing your own tire rotations or wheel swaps, and you do care about preventing scratches to your wheels, whether they're aftermarket, they're chrome, or you just don't like seeing these scratches in your painted finish, I highly recommend this for for the $18 I paid for it to not have scratches on my wheels. That's money well spent in my opinion. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.